What's going on, my Silver Knights? It's your boy, the King of Silver. Now, what I'm about to show you is the solid silver, fully iced out with Moissanite, custom-made handcuffs with the key. Now, let's take a closer look on the detail. This is the flash test. As you can see, this is the key right here. And this are the pair of handcuffs. They're fully iced out on both sides. This is the flash test. Even the chains is iced out. Now, you cannot open these handcuffs without the key. Boom. Boom. And that's it, and they lock in place. Now let's see if if those bracelet handcuffs will pass the diamond tester as Moissanite.
Moissanite. Moissanite. Moissanite.
Now I'm going to show you the key.
Moissanite.
So as you can see, every single one of them passed the diamond tester as Moissanite. That's how it looks. That's exactly how it will look. Put the key in. Do a little twist, and boom. I'm out. So let me know in the comment section what you think of these. And for everybody from watching my videos, keep your heads up and let no one hold you down. And by the way, I got these custom piece from a place called Gomez Jewels.